Assalamu alaikum student. This is science lecture of 7th class. We were reading chapter number 2, plants and their systems. In previous lecture we were discussing the topic plant tissues and organs. Tissues are the group of cells that perform a single function, and we have read different kinds of tissues. For example, photosynthetic tissues, whose function is helps in the photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is the process in which food is prepared. Xylem tissues. These tissues are present in stem and roots. Their function is to transport water and minerals in the plant. Phloem tissues. Phloem tissues are also present in stem and leaves. Their function is to transport the food from leaves to all other parts of the plant. Protective tissues. Protective tissues cover the surface of roots, stem and leaves. It is the thin transparent skin that protects the plant from damage or infection. And today we are going to talk about organs. Different tissues combine to make an organ. These organs together make a plant, which is an organism. An organism is something that is able to survive on its own. First of all, we recall cell. Cell, what is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Tissues. Group of cells perform a single function is called a tissue. Group of cells makes a tissue which perform a single function. Organ. Group of different tissues is called an organ. Different tissues combine to make an organ. And next, organs makes a plant, which is an organism. Organs together make a plant, and plant is an organism. Organism is able to survive its own. Organism has ability to survive its own. So plant is an organism which is made from different organs. So we will discuss plants organs. There are 4 plants organs, which are leaves, roots, stem and flowers. Now we will discuss these plant organs individually. Leaves. Leaves are very important plant organs. They help in photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the process in which food is prepared. Plants prepare its own food, so leaves helps in the preparation of food. Leaves are made of different kinds of tissues. They are made of xylem tissues, whose function is to transport water. Phloem tissues. Phloem tissues perform its function. Phloem tissues transport food. Photosynthetic tissues helps in photosynthesis, and protective tissues protect the leaves from infection. So different tissues combine to form an organ which is called leaves. Next important organ is roots. Roots are very important plant organs which anchor the plant into the ground, and roots absorb water from soil and transport this water to all parts of the plant. Roots are made of 3 kinds of tissue: xylem tissues, phloem tissues and protective tissues. These tissues perform its function individually and then form an important organ which is called roots. Next organ is stem. Stem is the part of plant which is present up to the ground, and it is the main supportive part of the plant. It is made of protective tissues, phloem tissues and xylem tissues. Xylem tissues transport water in the stem and phloem tissues transport food into the stem. Protective tissue protect the stem from infection or damage. So these three kinds of tissues combine to form stem, which is an organ. And fourth organ is flower. Flower is the reproductive part of plant. It helps in reproduction, and flower is also made of different kinds of tissue. Flower has different parts like petals, carpels, stamens and sepals. We will discuss their parts later. So students, this is the information about plants organs, and we know that different kinds of tissues combine to make an organ, and organs together make a plant, which is an organism. An organism is sometimes that is able to survive on its own. A leaf is a plant organ whose job is to make food by photosynthesis. A leaf is made of from these tissues: xylem, phloem, protective and photosynthetic tissues. Roots. Their job is to hold the plant into the ground. They also take in water and minerals from the soil. The tips of roots are sensitive to gravity, that is why they grow down into the soil, and it is made of from xylem, phloem and protective tissue. Stem is also made of xylem, phloem and protective tissue. The stem keeps the plant upright and holds the leaves so they can get sunlight and exchange gases with the surrounding air. Flowers appear at the end of the stem so insects can get to them easily. Flowers. Flowers are male and female reproductive organs. These are in the flowers. Flowers are usually brightly colored and insect and scented to attract insects. These are the information about plant organs. Test yourself. What is an organ? Name three plant organs and say what each one does. So this is the lecture about plants organs. I hope you will understand. Thank you.